Our journey today has led us to the captivating Yingshang ancient village in Guizhou, a settlement steeped in over a century of history. The village's unique location is immediately striking. Nestled precariously against cliffs on three sides, the homes are organically integrated into the very rock face. Surrounded by the sounds of birdsong and the vibrant colors of blossoming flowers, the scene unfolds like a painted panorama, a veritable earthly paradise. The air is crisp, carrying the scent of pine and damp earth, a refreshing contrast to the bustling cities we often inhabit. The very stones underfoot feel ancient, whispering tales of generations past who have walked the same paths, their lives inextricably linked to the land. Yingshang ancient village holds another intriguing name, the family on the elephant's back. A broader perspective reveals the reason the entire village, when viewed from a distance, bears a remarkable resemblance to a majestic elephant. The rolling hills form the gentle curve of its back, the clustered houses representing the intricate details of its hide, and perhaps even a naturally occurring rock formation serving as a whimsical tusk. It's a testament to the power of perspective, how nature and human ingenuity can converge to create something truly extraordinary, a living, breathing artwork sculpted by time and circumstance. This elephant's back, as it were, provides not only a picturesque foundation for the village, but also a natural defense against the elements, shielding it from harsh winds and providing a degree of insulation. But the wonders of Yingshang don't end there. Most remarkably, nestled within the heart of the mountain itself, lies a cave that serves as a home. This isn't just any cave, it's a carefully adapted space, a testament to human resilience and adaptability. Imagine the labor involved in transforming a raw, natural cavern into a habitable dwelling, a place of refuge and family. What compelling reason could entice a family to carve out a life within the depths of a cave? Was it a need for protection from bandits, a desire for solitude, a resourcefulness born of necessity, or perhaps a spiritual connection to the earth itself? The thought of living within a cave conjures images of a simpler time, a life intimately connected to the rhythms of nature. One can imagine the cool stillness of the interior, the echoing sounds of the mountain, the constant presence of the earth surrounding them. The very air inside must be different, filtered and purified by the stone, imbued with a unique sense of history and tranquility. We must consider the challenges as well, the lack of natural light, the potential for dampness, the constant battle against the forces of nature seeking to reclaim their dominion. Yet, despite these challenges, this family has persevered, creating a home filled with warmth, love, and the enduring spirit of humanity. Join us as we turn our lens to explore the mysteries and stories hidden within this extraordinary dwelling. We will delve into the family's history, uncover the practicalities of their unique lifestyle, and attempt to understand the profound connection they share with their unconventional home. We will listen to their stories, learn from their experiences, and ultimately, gain a deeper appreciation for the diverse ways in which humans can adapt and thrive in even the most unexpected environments. Our exploration of Yingshang ancient village and its cave dwelling promises to be an unforgettable journey into the heart of human ingenuity and the enduring power of the human spirit.